Now, India's largest airline, IndiGo, continues to face intense scrutiny for the mess it has created over the last 10 days. CEO Peter Albers, along with top officials, met the DGCA authorities. They were summoned to provide detailed report on the airline's recruitment and rostering plans and operational aspects. In order to compensate for the chaos, since the start of this month, IndiGo has announced a travel voucher worth 10,000 rupees for severely impacted flyers whose travel was affected between the 3rd and the 5th of December. This amount is in addition to the compensation IndiGo will be rolling out for those passengers whose flights were cancelled 24 hours before departure time. The DGCA has formed an 8-member oversight panel to oversee the airline's operations. 2 senior officers will now sit at IndiGo's corporate office, tracking cancellations, refunds, on-time performance, crew deployment, and passenger assistance in real time. The airline insists it did not engineer the crisis, it says. The board, it says, was fully involved from day one. There was no attempt, they say, to influence government rules. The disruptions, they argue, were not deliberate.
However, there are some allegations that are untrue. That IndiGo engineered the crisis, that we tried to influence government rules, that we compromised safety, that the board was not involved. These claims are incorrect. IndiGo has followed the pilot fatigue rules as they came into effect. We operated under the new rules throughout, both in July and in November. We did not attempt to bypass them, nor did we do anything that negatively impacted our unblemished track record of safety. The disruptions of last week did not happen because of any deliberate action. They happened because a combination of internal and unanticipated external events, including minor technical glitches, schedule changes linked to the start of the winter, adverse weather conditions, increased congestion in the aviation system, and implementation of and operation under the updated crew rostering rules. This is simply the truth. Clearly, this combination of events pushed our systems beyond their limits. There's also been a claim that the board was not engaged. This is not correct. The board has been closely involved with this matter for many, many months. Both the board and the board Risk Management Committee have received relevant information from the management on the implementation of the rules. Following the first day of the disruptions, we held an emergency board meeting and set up a crisis management group. Since then, board members have been in continuous contact with the management team. The crisis management group has been meeting every single day.